The two key UP seats nomination deadline looms over the Congress for Amethi and Rai Bareli. The nomination has to be made by tomorrow afternoon, but still no word on who it is who will be contesting. Are the Gandhi siblings going to fight from either of the constituencies? The Congress still undecided. There was a meeting a short while ago between Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge and senior leaders with Rahul Gandhi, and what NDTV has heard is that final decision will be made soon, that it's up to the leaders really to take that final call tonight. Meanwhile, the BJP has declared its candidate for Rai Bareli. Tired perhaps of waiting for the Congress to announce it, the BJP went ahead and announced State Minister Dinesh Pratap Singh as its candidate. Dinesh Singh was BJP's candidate from this constituency in 2019 as well, and he lost to Sonia Gandhi then.
मेरे सामने तो कमल का चुनाव निशान है। विपक्ष में कौन है मैं नहीं देखता हूं। मुझे चिड़िया की आंख की तरह अपने कमल का सम्मान, अपने कमल की इज्जत, अपने कमल की विजय सिर्फ दिखाई देती है, और मैं समझता हूं कि मैं इसको सुनिश्चित कराने में सफल हूंगा। आदरणीय दीदी स्मृति ईरानी जी एक बार चुनाव हारी हैं, दोबारा जीती हैं। रायबरेली में एक बार जनता जानने में वक्त लगाती है। 5 साल में रायबरेली की जनता ने जान लिया है कि हमारे हक में गांधी परिवार नहीं है।
All right, well, let's go across to Tanish now, who joins us from Amethi. And Tanish, yesterday you rushed to Amethi thinking that that announcement could be made yesterday or by yesterday evening. It's now the next day in the evening, and we're still waiting for this announcement to be made. So that suspense continues, and what we have heard is the final decision has been left to the Gandhi siblings.
Yes, of course, Gargi, इंतहा हो गई इंतजार की, but you know, I'm guessing that today the Congress list will be announced, because we just got a message from the Congress party that the one list of Lok Sabha candidates will be announced shortly. But I would like to tell you, I'm right now at the Congress office in Amethi. I would like to show you the new posters that have come up. The new posters that have come up. Here you can see 2 new posters that have come up with Rahul Gandhi in it, and with him is of course Akhilesh Yadav. It says "Haath badlega halat, ladega India, jeetega India." So of course, at the same point of time, showing solidarity, showing that India bloc is showing the India bloc's fight from Amethi and not just Congress. But the party workers have of course are excited that it could be they want Rahul Gandhi to be contesting from here, although there is no official confirmation. But of course the mood certainly here is that Rahul Gandhi will be coming back to fight from Amethi. I would like to show you the preparations have also somewhat begun. The polls are being laid here, and this of course shows that the local district workers are ready for the leader whose name will be announced very soon.
So preparations have begun, but the workers not quite sure for whom those preparations are. Hopefully that announcement soon. Thanks so much for joining us.